Welcome to the darkest tales from America's highways. Stay tuned. And now, without further ado, let's begin. Opening. Dead Air EXT. Highway 37. Night. Dashcam footage. A torrential downpour. Headlights cut through the rain as a car speeds down the empty highway. The radio scans through static before locking on to a station. Radio host, VO. You're listening to K666 AM, the last voice you'll ever need. Calling all night drivers. Got a ghost story? Call now at... The broadcast cuts abruptly to a 911 call recording. Dispatcher, 911, what's your emergency? Caller, gasping. There's someone in my... Choking. The doors won't... A horrific crash. The call cuts to deafening static. The car's headlights illuminate a figure standing in the middle of the road. Tires screech. Superimposed text. The following stories are based on real 911 calls. Black screen. The sound of rain and a car door creaking open. And now, Story 1. The Hitchhiker, int Big Rig. Cab, night, GoPro footage. Louis, mid-40s, weathered face, adjusts his GoPro mounted on the dash. Rain pounds the windshield as he speaks into his CB radio. Wait, Breaker 19, this is Snowman, anybody copy? This storm's turning into a real bitch out here. Static crackles in response. His headlights reveal a soaked woman, 20s, pale, hitchhiking on the shoulder. She doesn't wave, just stares dead ahead. Louis pulls over. The woman enters silently, dripping water on the seats. She keeps her head down. GPS glitching. In 500 feet, turn left, into the river. Louis chuckles nervously, tapping the device. The woman slowly turns her head. Her eyes are milky white. Woman, deadpan. Don't worry, we're already here. Louis glances in the rearview mirror. Her reflection is a rotting corpse. His truck's headlights illuminate the riverbank rushing toward them. Crash, glass, shattering. Then, static, superimposed text, newspaper, clipping style. Truck found in Wabash River, 3:17 a.m., driver's seat empty, engine still running. And now, Story 2. The Van, NT, minivan, night, dashcam plus handheld footage. Dad, 35. White knuckles the wheel. Mom, 34, turns to check on girl, 8, drawing in the back seat. Rain streaks the windows. Girl, cheerful. Daddy, why's that black van following us? Dad checks the rearview. A black van with darkened windows maintains exact distance. Mom, laughing nervously. It's just another driver, honey. They pass a mile marker. The van suddenly appears ahead of them, impossibly fast. Dad swerves. Mum flips through her daughter's sketchbook, stops on a drawing of their car at night. A shadowy figure leans over the front seats where they now sit. Mom, shaking. Sweetie? Why'd you draw a man in our car? The van's headlights flash. The radio screeches. Morse code, clear enough for Dad to understand. Dad whispering. Your turn! Tires screech. The screen cuts to grainy police footage of their abandoned minivan. The child's drawing lies on the seat, now with additional figures in the back. And now, Story 3. Last Gas, EXT, Eaton's Gas and Go, Night, Security Camera Angles. Mark, 28, and Lisa, 27, pull into the neon-lit station. The closed sign flickers. An attendant, 50s, too-wide smile, steps from the shadows. Attendant, fill up, you'll need it. They chase slow cars. As Mark pumps gas, the counter spins backwards, stopping at 1919. A loud thud comes from the roof. Lisa, nervous laugh. Probably just branches. She notices the attendant's name tag, Help Me, scratched underneath the printed Joe. The pump hose twitches like a snake. Mark, seeing handprints inside fuel door. Lisa, we need to go. The car won't start. The pump hose suddenly wraps around Lisa's ankle. Security footage glitches. When it resumes, the car sits abandoned. The pump display reads gallons 6.66. And now, sign off. NT K666 Radio Studio Night. The host, 40s, sweats under the lights. Through the soundproof glass, headlights approach in the storm. Host, static cut voice. If you're hearing this, avoid Highway 37 tonight. If you see a woman in the road, do not stop. If you feel a cold spot, get out of your car and run. The entity on Highway 37 claims another victim. A driver abandoned his car after seeing a ghostly hitchhiker in the back seat. He called 911. The operator heard a scream and then nothing. If you're driving alone, turn off the radio and keep your windows closed. The entity feeds on fear and isolation. The best way to protect yourself is to pretend you're not afraid. Make eye contact with the darkness and it will go away. But if you see a black van following you, turn right. Drive straight into the ditch. It's better to be buried alive than found in the back of that van. I repeat, do not stop for any hitchhikers. Do not engage any strange transmissions. And do not turn left onto Highway 37. If you hear a knock on your door, don't open it. Whatever's out there wants you dead. Your screams will echo into eternity. Do not stop. Do not turn left. And whatever you do, do not open the door. The CB radio blares to life. Mysterious voice. Breaker 19, we got a new story for you, talker. Power fails. In the blackness, red eyes reflect in the glass. The mic picks up heavy breathing. Then, feedback, screech, superimposed text. Have a ghost story? Comment below if you make it home. Final audio, a car engine starting. Then the sound of a door slamming shut. The end.